Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today we're on the number 69, the 69th day of daily number workout. We've been working hard, so let's get started. 69 in word form. And since it ends with a 9 in the ones place value, it is an odd number. So let's get started with our factors. 1 times 69. 2 doesn't go in because it's odd. 3 goes in 23 times. 4 does not go in because it's odd. 5 does not go in because it does not end with a 0 or a 5. 6 doesn't go in because it's odd. 7 doesn't go in. 8 doesn't go in. 9 doesn't go in. I look here and 23 is a prime number, so we are done. So here we go. Let's go for multiples. 1 times 69 is 69. Let's do 2 times 69. This is our great facts practice. 2 times 9 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So we have 138 is 2 69s. Let's do 3 69s. 3 times 9 is 27. Drop the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So we have 207. 69 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. 276. Let's do 5 69s. 5 times 9 is 45. Drop the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So we have 345. 69 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54. Drop the 4, carry the 5. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 would be 41. 414. 69 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Drop the 3, carry the 6. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 6 is 48. So that's 483. 69 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Drop the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 7 would be 55. So we have 552. 69 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Drop the 1, carry the 8. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 8 would be 62. So we have 621. And then 10 times any number is that number with a 0 in the ones place. So there we have it. Let's move on to our fraction, decimal, percents, and ratios. I'm going to move this up. So our fraction today is 69 over 100. That's our fraction. And we know 23 and 69 and 3 does not go into 100. So that is our lowest term fraction. So we can say lowest term fraction. And then we are going into our decimal, which is 0 and 69 hundredths. Then we're going to go into our percents, which would be 69%. And then our ratios would be 69 to 100 or 69:100. Let's write this out in words. So this would be 69 hundredths. And our decimal would be 0. And whenever we see and, we know they're talking decimals. And 69 hundredths. Because that's the place value we're ending our number. All right, we're going to drop down and go into money. So we have $0.69 written the same way as we just said it. $0.69. And we're done with our partial numbers. And let's move on to area and perimeter. So let's start off with our first one, which is a 69 by 1. So area equals 69 times 1, which equals 69 square units. Our perimeter would be 69 plus 1 plus 69 plus 1, which equals 2 69s, according to our multiples, is 138, plus 2 more would be 140 units. All right, so our next one would be a 23 by 3. And remember, we're just doing it one way from now on, so we save time for your teacher and your other concepts. So this would be 23 plus 3 plus 23 plus 3 equals. So 23 plus 23 is 46, plus 6 more would be 52 units. All right, we're going to move into volume. So our first volume I'm going to draw here is a 69 wide by 1 deep by 1 tall. So that would look like this: 69 times 1 equals 69 cubic units. And we're going to write that again in a different way. So it would be a 1 by 69 by 1. So that'd be 1 wide by 69 deep by 1 tall. So we're just turning it. And another way to write that would be a 1 by 1 by 69. So that would be 1 wide by 1 deep by 69 tall. And those are the 3 ways we can write that. Let's move on to the other one, which is a 23 by 3 deep by 1 tall. So that would be 23 wide by 3 deep by 1 tall equals 69 cubic units. Another way we could write that is 23 wide by 1 deep by 3 tall. Another way to write that would be 3 wide by 23 deep by 1 tall. And you're just checking yours off. Another way would be 3 wide by 1 deep by 23 tall. And then we could have a 1 wide by 23 deep by 3 tall. And then we can have a 1 wide by 3 deep by 23 tall. So whenever we have 3 different numbers, we should have 6 different ways to write it. And we are done with our number 69. Have a great day.